Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Pharmacypedia. In this session we are going to learn about the extra pharmacopoeia. So let us begin the learning. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Pharmacypedia for getting further updates. The topic has been taken from Introductory Pharmaceutics 1. So let us try to learn the new facts about our extra pharmacopoeia. We know that the extra pharmacopoeia refers to Martindale. So Martindale is actually a complete drug reference, which is also known as the alternate reference book for the drugs and the medicines. The extra pharmacopoeia originally was produced by William Martindale in the year 1883 and now published by the Pharmaceutical Society of the Great Britain, which comprises of all the information about all the drugs which are not only used in the Great Britain but also worldwide. So the objective of undertaking and preparing the extra pharmacopoeia was to have an updated information to be used by the pharmacist, physician in all the areas. At the same time, it also provided the information of official, unofficial, proprietary preparations which are currently in use. The objective also comprised to have the maximum information about all the drugs. So it is a huge document comprising of 1400 pages of drugs descriptions listed in alphabetically under English titles names. The Martindale comprised of each and every information. It is very interesting to note that the monographs includes Chemical Abstract Services (CAS), Anatomical Therapeutic Chemical Classification System numbers, and FDA Unique Ingredient Identifier codes to help the readers refer to other information at the same time. Martindale basically comprises of the information on all the drugs in their clinical uses as well as selected investigational and veterinary drugs, herbal complementary medicines, all the pharmaceutical excipients, vitamins and nutritional agents, vaccines, radiopharmaceuticals, contrast media and diagnostic agents, medicinal gases, drugs of abuse and recreational drugs. It also have the information about the toxic drugs, disinfectants and pesticides. So in a nutshell, it comprises of each and every important information referring to the drugs. The 30th edition of the Martindale, which comprised the complete drug in reference, was first published in the year June 2017. Martindale is basically arranged into two main parts, which is further followed by the three extensive indexes. So monographs on all the drugs and ancillary substances, and it is, believe my dear students, it is a very huge document comprising of more than 6,000 monographs. Yes, 6,000 monographs, which are arranged alphabetically in 49 chapters. The monograph comprises and summarizes the nomenclature, properties and actions of each substances. A chapter on supplementary drugs and other substances covers some of more than 1200, precisely 1190 monographs on new drugs, which are not easily classified, herbals and drugs which are no longer clinically used but still may be explored for further purposes. So monographs of some toxic substances are also included in the Martindale. Martindale, the complete drug reference has all the preparations including more than 1,80,000 items from 43 countries and regions. It comprises of a huge directory of manufacturers listing about 20,000 entries. All the pharmaceutical terms in various languages have been listed down, and it comprises of all the information which are widely used and in prevalent European languages and is an aid to the non-native speakers. It has a general index which is prepared from 1,75,000 entries and comprises of all the information having approved names, synonyms, Russian names, etc. The digital version is widely used and has an additional 1,000 drug monographs, 60,000 preparation names and more than 5,000 manufacturers. So the Martindale is widely used to cover drugs and related substances reported to be of clinical interest everywhere in the world. It is a It provides useful information for patients arriving from the abroad to identify their existing medicaments. This may reveal that a currently taken proprietary preparation is under another brand name or not. Alternatively, if the drug is not available, the class of agents can be determined, allowing a pharmacist or doctor to determine which alternative equivalent drugs can be substituted. In September recently, the Martindale, the complete reference September has been updated. The updates contains about 5 new additional monographs and preparations have been updated for more than 7 countries. So this is the latest update as far as Martindale 30th edition is concerned. I hope the information is going to help you a lot. That is why it is known as the Extra Pharmacopoeia. This is a huge document comprising of all the latest information. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Pharmacypedia for getting further updates.